everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Canvas on your phone. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Canvas Student, download it and open it. Now log in using your school or class account. Once you are in, you will see the dashboard. This is where all your courses shows up. Each course is in its own little box. Just tap the course you want to open. When you enter a course, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Here you will see things like home, assignments, grades, announcement. This is especially your map for the whole classes. To see what you need to do, tap assignment or modules. Shows everything in order, lesson, quizzes and assignments. Tap anything to open it. Canvas will show instructions, files, videos or whatever your teacher added. To turn in work, open an assignment and look for the submit assignment button. On iPhone, you can upload photo, upload a file, record audio or video or type directly in the box. When you are done, tap submit. To see your scores, tap grades in the course menu. This shows all your assignments, your points and any teacher feedback. Finally, you can tap inbox at the button to message teachers or classmates. Canvas will notify you when grades, assignment or announcements are updated. And that's all. That's how you use Canvas on your phone in a simplest way. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.